Yeah, do you know how many times I've been at a customer's house because somebody else was already there before and they didn't do it right? They couldn't figure it out, they didn't do it right, and now there's another issue, and I'm there fixing it because somebody else screwed up. My name is John Zokaites. I am the owner of Easy Heating and Cooling for the Sioux Falls area. We mainly fix, replace, and install residential heating and cooling units. I got into the trade with my uncle, so I kind of learned my first steps from there. After that, I went to school and learned a little bit more there. After that, I kind of jumped around various different places and just picked up more knowledge. Oftentimes, I see people kind of try and follow me from a distance, and a lot of technicians don't really like that, but I actually encourage my clients to follow me. That way, they're a lot more comfortable with what I'm doing. The idea is to bring a sense of decency and kindness because we don't take shortcuts, we do quality work, and we do it right the first time. Easy Heating and Cooling is unique because we offer a down-to-earth vibe and we actually care. When you go with a bigger company, when you call someone out, you're not gonna get the same person as you called last time. Even if you requested, it's not gonna happen. But with a small company like Easy, we can ensure the same person comes out each and every time. If you're tired of having a company show up 3, 4 times, not getting it done, if you're tired of wondering whether or not it's even worthwhile to call someone, if they're even gonna be able to fix it, if you're tired of people not wanting to show up to your house because of where you live, call me at 605-413-5366.